everybody, I am Kenya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, how you doing? And if you're returning, stick around for a minute. So today I want to talk to you guys about this crochet hair that I have in my head. For like the past, I want to say 5 months, I've been wearing free tress deep twist hair because I do feel like that suits me the most, that crochet hair. And I like, you know, a good wave, and plus I work in an environment where, you know, I feel like when my hair is too big, you know, it's kind of intimidating to those other folks, if you know what I mean. So I just try to keep it simple. So this is actually a different brand of crochet hair that I've tried. I installed it on Saturday and today is Wednesday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I've had it in for about 4 whole days. Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yep. And it's the Outre Xpression, and this is deep wave loop, and this is 14 inches. So I purchased this, and I did purchase this for $5.99 a pack. And I will say, to me, it's just like deep twist. This is just like the free tress deep twist hair. Like, it's just like it. The only difference is that this one has more of a low shine versus deep twist, which has more. We all know that free tress makes hair that is very shiny for some reason, but this one is very low shine, and this one is very much believable. So I did attempt to do the invisible parts because I don't like when people just walk up to me and just see my braids just chilling. So that's what I did for this. And so far I am really loving this hair. My crochet hair usually lasts between 4 to 5 weeks. So I'm going to try to update you guys on how this hair turns out, if I liked it or if I didn't, and all that good stuff. But so far so good. I do maintain this hair every morning. I wake up, you know, I rake my fingers through it, and then some pieces might, you know, there might be like some longer strands, so I'll like cut those off or whatever. But like I said, so far I'm loving this hair. It is very reminiscent of free tress deep twist hair. So if you happen to go to the hair store, your beauty supply store, and they don't have free tress deep twist, try to find the Outre Xpression hair and the deep wave loop. Make sure it's this one right here. Like, I really do like this hair that I'm wearing today, and I really recommend it. Usually when I put it in hair, I can tell right off the bat if I'm going to love it or if I'm going to hate it, and I actually really like this hair. So with that being said, let's see, I can't really get too close up on my camera because once I start fooling with the lens and zooming in and out, no man. So this is how it looks, and then this is the back. It has a little body. It ain't stiff, you know. Yes. Ooh. Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, nowhere.
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff, bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake, bitch.
What?
Shake.
All that. Because, you know, we don't like no stiff hair. That ain't the business, and that ain't cool. So that's all I have to say about this hair. I mean, I just wanted to come on and talk about the hair. There's so many other videos you can watch on people actually installing this hair, installing crochet hair, period, I would say. I didn't see too many videos on YouTube about this particular hair. I saw like 2 videos, and one of the videos wasn't really that, the quality wasn't that great, so I really didn't, you know, couldn't see, you know, the quality of the hair, or whether, you know, I liked it or I didn't like it. But I decided, you know what, I'll give it a chance. You know, I do my own hair, and I figure if I don't like it, then I'll just, you know, take it out. So in conclusion, I did purchase 4 packs of this deep wave loop hair. I purchased 4 packs of them. I only used 3 packs of this hair. So I feel like this hair is bigger than the free tress deep twist hair. I don't feel like you get more in the pack per se, but I just feel like it's I don't know, more voluminous. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. More voluminous than the deep twist hair, and the deep twist hair is really uniform. I don't know how to explain it. It's like very uniform in the pack. This one, I feel like it isn't as much, and I do have a small head and I do have a small face, so I try not to put sorry I keep bothering this as I'm talking too much in my head, because then it's just like, girl, Kenya, where you at? Like, where are you under all that hair? So I just try to keep it cute, you know, keep it simple. Kiss. And that's that. Hi guys. Hey everybody. It is actually week 3 since I've had this Outre Xpression crochet hair in my hair. And as you can see, it is getting a little bit frizzy as the weeks are going on by. Like I said before in the first part of the video, I do compare this to the free tress deep twist hair, but I feel like this hair is a little rougher. It has more texture, it's a little shine, and you know, more believable. But this hair isn't as, I feel like the maintenance on the deep twist free tress deep twist hair is, you know, a little lower than this hair. Each morning when I wake up, I literally put my hair up in a pineapple, take it down, I go in my bathroom mirror and I just do this to my hair, and I go through it with my fingers to detangle each part so it doesn't start getting matted and just looking, you know, freaking disgusting. And then once I get through doing that, I mean, that takes a good, you know, 3 extra minutes out of my morning. After I finish going through with my fingers like this, then I get out my scissors and I just clip off any of the ends that look kind of crazy and go on about my day. So far I am still liking this hair. My opinion on this hair has not changed as of yet. I would definitely install this hair again, just because I just like the way it looks on me per se. It looks like a freaking cute little twist out, I guess. What do you guys think? Am I reaching, or you know, could it be like a little natural twist out? And like I said, I work in an environment where, you know, my hair can't be too big because, you know, I start scaring those other people. You know, they start looking at me like, you know, how black are you, you know? But for real. So like I said, this is week 3. I plan on wearing this for a total of 4 weeks. Hopefully I will come back before I take this down. This is it after week 3. Yeah. Hey guys, so I hope you can see my hair, and at the top of my camera isn't really cutting it off. But this is week 4 of wearing this hair by Outre Xpression Deep Wave, I believe it was. And I must say it has lasted up to week 4. As you can see, it does look very frizzy at this point. This is my last week rocking this hair, and let me tell you, I'm ready to take it down. Just because I just want something fresh and new. I may just get like I most likely will get deep twist again, because that is my safe hair that I just always gravitate towards. So this is it at the 4-week mark. And yeah, I feel like this hair looks the most natural out of all the hair that I tried, because even when my part starts to grow out, it doesn't look like 2 totally different textures. Like, hold up, your new growth is coming in and your crochet hair is kind of shining and silky. It all looks cohesive. So if you want something real believable, you want like an undetectable, you know, crochet, you know, hairdo, I feel like this is definitely it. Don't mind me, I'm looking at the viewfinder. And yeah, that's just that. So with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in my next crochet hair video. Probably won't be the next hairstyle because I'm getting deep twist again. But when I get the courage, you know, to try something different and to step out my comfort zone, I will come back on my YouTube channel and I will share it with you guys. So if this video was helpful, hit the thumbs up button so we can share it to the rest of the, you know, YouTuberverse, and others can see my video who are searching for, you know, crochet hairstyles. And you know, if you did have this hair, let me know in the comments section how you maintained it and all that good stuff. And I just want to thank you guys for coming to kick it with me today. Thank you for clicking on my video, because you really didn't have to. And I'm going to see you guys in my next YouTube video. Toodles!